Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about JavaScript data types. There are two types of data types, primitive data types and non-primitive data types. In this video we will learn about primitive data types and in next video we will learn about non-primitive data types. What are primitive data types? Primitive data types are the types which show us the value of simple things like string. We can write here textual data in the closed meaning with these brackets, in quotes, in double quotes or single quotes, it is your choice. This is called string. This data type represents textual data and is enclosed in either double quotes or single quotes. Example, hello world or 1 2 3 4 5. Now you will say that 1 2 3 4 5 is a number, but if in JavaScript we write anything inside these quotes, so that is treated as a string. So it's meaning it's became text. It's became string. This is a function of quotes or double quotes or single quotes, and it is string is a textual data. So now our other topic is numbers. It represents numerical values including integers and floating point numbers, meaning it represents values of numbers. It include integers and decimal. In math you would have studied decimal, which is point. This one we can this is the property number. In JavaScript, numbers have a range from this some number is multiplied with it to like this number, meaning 2 multiplied by 53 minus 1 and 2 multiplied by 53 minus 1. Here is minus 2 multiplied by 53, meaning in minus value 2 it is limited and in plus value 2 it is limited. And examples like of a number is 42 and 3.14. It is number and it is floating point number. It is integer and it is float number. Now what is Boolean? It has two possible values, true or false, and it is used for logical operations and conditional expressions. Meaning in Boolean we have to use true and false values. In practical we will learn, so you will understand properly that what's the meaning of Boolean. So our other topic is null. This is a special value that represents the intentional absence of any object value. It's often used to signify that a variable has no value or that a value is unknown or not applicable. Meaning we have targeted or we have given a value to variable, but that value is null. Meaning if in the value place we will write null, so it's meaning that variable don't have any value. It is empty, which can't be accessible anywhere because it don't have any value. It is unknown. This is called null. So the other topic is undefined. When a variable is declared but not assigned a value, it has an undefined value by default. It is also the default return value of a function that does not return anything explicitly. Meaning when a variable is declared but not assigned a value, meaning is like we have written a variable but we didn't have given any value, that's called undefined. When you will print it, so they will show you in the terminal undefined. It is a default value, you can say, because when you will write a variable, so after writing variable automatically there no value come. Its meaning that is undefined from default. So other topic is big int. Big int is a primitive data type introduced in modern JavaScript ES11 ES 2020 for representing large integer that cannot be accurately represented using the regular number type. It is created by appending n to the end of an integer literal by calling the big int constructor. As you can see that there was a limit to multiply a number or big value in JavaScript, but a big int is a new primitive data type which was introduced in modern JavaScript. in the latest version of JavaScript, in which we can multiply, or we can write big values from these. This is a limited, but we can write with the help of big int from these two big values with the help of big int. So our other topic is symbol. Symbols are unique and immutable values that are often used as object property keys to prevent name collisions. They are created using the symbol constructor, meaning if you will give any variable value symbol, so it's mean they are became unique values which can't be changed. This is called the function of symbols. I know that you would not be understanding anything without practical, so in next videos we will learn how to practically use these all data types. So thank you guys. In this video only this much. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.